Oh, whee. After this walk, I'm going to make a universe generator using code on the computer, and then I'm going to take a week out of my non-existent schedule to explore this other world that's randomly generated and essentially go on a quest to discover something generated by the code or something. I'm not really sure, but I don't know what's going to happen. But it'll last a week, and everything will be on that subject. Ciao. Step 1. Open Godot. Step 2. Make game. Step 3. Draw graphics. Basic graphics. Done. And done. Alright, we're going to test it and decide if we're going to use that one. That one's boring. It's just the same thing as last time, except I added a horizon thing to it. And I don't have to think. I can just press a button. Yeah, this one. I'm just gonna save the image so that I don't forget. And we shall begin. I wrote them down to see how they are equivalent to each other. So like, the liquid is a deep green earth. And we have to convert these. This isn't really relevant, but those are our elements that we will be using. So, anything with these basic properties will be what we use throughout the thing. The problem is I forgot to do what we'll actually be doing, so I'll just do that separately with dice. I'll be back. Okay. Every time I roll this dice, I will add one of these topics to our base, which right now is nothing. But while each roll is performed, it will increase the complexity of the subject that we will be doing for the next week. Okay. It's gonna be the first one. It doesn't mean I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It's gonna be something else. To redo it because it was basically just a video of me tripping out because there was that bubble in it. But that's the shape it has. You can't really tell from that angle. That's how we're going to uncover a secret object, but we're actually going to add the shape of the shadow in there, and we're going to add a distortion kind of line to our shape. And then we simply take each individual detail, so like curves, squiggle, circle, and square, and assign specific features related to how this functions. So I think that is shade line. Distortion. Bubble. And square. Right? And then we manipulate those substances inside this substance externally on the outside world to create something of interest. Yeah. So let's try that. See how it has a hole in it? It's not a real hole. It's a distortion in the glass. If I move it further away, you can't really see it as well, so. But it lets you observe a different sort of thing. Like if I put it over, it actually bends the light at a slightly different angle. So it covers a part of the image. Like, see the black box on my table? It's a speaker and a radio, but you can see it in both spots. I don't know what that is. And the spider doesn't even show up. I don't know what that is. Actually, it doesn't quite. It's down there. Thought it was a radio. I'm confused now. Okay, well, it's a whaling stone. You have probably no idea what I'm talking about, but up close you can see through it. And makes sense, but she's not actually there. She's at a different angle. Can't show you because it's too thick. But that is cool. Yeah. It distorts the environment naturally. If we go for a walk, geez, that's creepy in the corner. If I just kind of go like that, creepy. But still just a painting, I think. It's mostly a distortion of the camera. Whoa, that's the light. It's not there. It's now there. That is the light. guess I found a secret use for that object. Yeah. This is weird. Oh, well. Bad selfie. But creepy. Hi. Wee. It's like a fractal. Sweet. I don't know where that's coming from. Oh, it's the light in the back. Yeah, so looking through I'm using a marble. So it's like you can't usually see that with whoa. Okay.